What's going on, everybody? It's Flying Dutchman here, and today we're in France at Honda Euromeet, which is the biggest Honda event of Europe of the year. We're here with my buddy Yannick from Belgium. So we've already set up the stand with the stickers and stuff, and we now just head back to them, to their friends. I hopped in the back of the car, and now we're entering the festival side the original way. But it's more fun hanging out with friends, right? Than just to stand and wait there alone. So there's a lot of Hondas behind him, but you can't see him. There's a whole lineup of cars coming. Ready for him 2020?
Ooh, yeah.
2!
Ooh yeah.
So here we are with the goodie bags and the entrance, and off to a great time. So as we've set up the base, as call it, merch still needs to come because other companies are joining in. But let's just look at a few of these showstoppers, because this thing, man, the wing, the rear tail lights, the wheels, and that little sticker, that line that goes to the front in the color combo. Call me a sucker for this, but I love this thing. Not the biggest fan of the headlights, but they work on this build, or the eyelids. This thing is gnarly. And then we have S2000 with some cool sticker job on it. Some sick wheels. These cars are sick, man. So we're gonna meet up with our friends in a bit and just have a chill night, have fun, party, and then tomorrow is the event day. Probably more cars will show up. I'll pick up the camera, but I don't know how the lighting is gonna work, but I might film some clips of the evenings. But if I look there, this is where the campsite starts, and there's a lot of people, a lot of tents, a lot of cool cars. So we're gonna check that out tomorrow when maximum capacity is here. So now we're just gonna enjoy the evening. So the next clip will be random shit at night or tomorrow. So here we go. It is, let's check the time. It's now oh, you don't see anything. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We haven't had breakfast yet because we started to set up and people were like, hey, there's something to buy there. And this is the first time I'm able to pick up the camera and just have a little walk around and, you know, show our stuff. We have some wrap oils. We're selling some Hot Wheels that I have as doubles, air fresheners, t-shirts, window banners, more shirts, caps. This was all full, like to the max full, and this is all we have now. It's crazy. This is the event of the year. If you like Hondas, then Honda Euromeet is the place to be, because it is crazy. But enough of this stuff, because, you know, I think I've showed this in a video a few times. Some of the cool stickers. Slow Car Club, how many can join that? I think a lot. And let's just go out, have a little walk around, check out the cars. It's gonna be a great time, and it is warm here. So then we have other sticker stands like this, basically doing the same thing but different. Also, it's not competition, because we know this guy very well, seen him on multiple events. He's a pretty cool, relaxed dude, and I think that's how it should be on any type of car event like this. You have stands that are very competitive, and they're like, we want to sell and you cannot sell anything, but these guys just like, yeah man, good luck, have fun. And everyone is doing their own thing. That's what I like. We make our own designs. We had multiple people coming towards us and like, yeah man, you guys have original stickers, like cool designs, not the basic stuff. So here we go. Nice Civic. A lot of Hitachi on these Civics here at this stand. Kinda love it. And then we're gonna start here. There's like so many But to me personally, these types of Civics are a little bit too new. I don't hate them, but you know, if I had the money to buy a car like this, I wouldn't buy a car like that. I would still buy a 90 shitbox. With the stickers is a lot better, but I think that's just my taste. Love this. This is the pink, and then with the branches and the what is it? The leaves, the petals. I don't know what it's called. Cherry blossom. Is that the name? Nice S2000. This one I've seen yesterday before, and this one as well. They just moved to the show and shine area. And this one, which is extra wide. I mean, those wheels, those arches. Not a fan of the pointy wheels, but the studs. Then here we have blue and yellow. I love the combo. Don't like the tail lights or the steering wheel. I mean, this is a throwback to the 90s. But the color combo is good though. It's just a little bit ricey. Another little ricey Civic. Is this a Fast and the Furious build look-alike? Yes. It's a replica of the Fast and the Furious heist car. It's pretty cool though. I mean, this is a Civic we all loved at the big screen, right? And then this guy again. If there's anything to do with Honda, this guy pops up.
Every time.
Let's check this one out. Full carbon engine bay. Fucking insane.
Yeah, I was gonna bring stuff.
This. It's another.
I think he wants this one.
Dinner that one time near Brussels.
And then a very old one. S2000. And here we have our own Honda Pro Jason. We've seen him before. What's up, buddy?
Hey, what's happening, brother? How are you?
Good. Enjoying it?
Yes.
I believe the first time you came here, that was my first time here, the first edition. I think I was the
2017 or 18?
something like that.
Yeah.
And then it was like, I remember like first time here and you were amazed by the European car scene, and
Still amazed.
yeah, and I make YouTube videos for fun, and then I see people in the comments like, what the hell is that kind of model? We never seen that in the US and stuff, so it's very cool.
That's the fun part of me traveling. I get to show people all over the world the kind of things
Well,
that are all over the world.
You started like US and then you traveled over the seas and like, what the fuck's going on? And now you're just international, going everywhere. It's very cool.
It's crazy.
I think every car scene needs a person like you to promote the brand or I mean, you're just Honda, and I sort of stepped away from my Honda religion and tried new stuff. I wanted to go drifting, and to do that financially, it's a BMW. But I think every car scene could use a promoter like this, because see it everywhere. It's crazy. So
I agree.
I hope you have a great weekend and enjoy yourself,
Great
man.
seeing you again. Man. Take care.
4th gen Prelude with crazy interior. Intense. Third generation Civic. Is it? Yeah, 3rd generation. What else do we have? UK Civics, EG Civics, Integras, Legends. Wait, is this a... Hold up, is this a... No. An EG Civic in yellow. I love this color, it's a perfect combo. That shift is set up though. and then swapped to a big fat old K series. So a good 200 horsepower in this thing as stock. I don't know what else is done with it, but and like I said, I'm a sucker for stickers and liveries. Look at this striping on the side. So period correct, so cool. Love it. Then a weird color combo here. All the sparkles and the... It's weird. Not ugly though. Just never seen it before. Del Sol, it's gonna cut your shins off if you're not careful. Like the red tint and the black though. Nice blue on the Civic. And then a 4th generation hatch, which... And again, look at the striping that it has on the side. I see that more and more now. I see a trend developing. People having side stripes, which really emphasizes the classic look. It's very retro. I think it suits the car and the period. But that's sad. Let's just check out a few more and then never get rid of those guys. I mean, I cannot cover it all. I mean, how sick is this thing? But you know, I can stand still and watch the engine bay for all your Honda lovers. I like the big fat wide body fenders on there, polyurethane windows or Lexan. I think it's gonna be fast, but there's so much here, just so much. Nice little CRX. This is not a Honda, nonetheless. All those colors, pretty cool. Oof. Oh, I haven't seen this yet, but this is right in the feels. Nissan Silvia or PS13. I'm a sucker for this thing. It might not be a Honda, but for me, this is one of the coolest cars on the show. White body, in white, white wheels, white on white. Some cool correct stickers, and then a red interior, like the rear as well as the front. This is sick. It's like a black Mugen CRX. It's very cool. Man. And then here all the peasants want to drift. The crazy carts. Never driven these. And this was just the show and shine section. Now it's like, there's also a campsite, but there are like tenfold the amounts of cars. I mean, here on the area, on the Odyssey, you don't really see that here in Europe. But there is basically too much to cover it all, or I need to make a big 4-hour video or something, so which is what we're not gonna do. As you can see, I'm just weaving through people here on the skateboard. I'll probably come back here when it's a little bit more nighttime, because then people turn on the neons and stuff. Because then you have these little areas, and it's full of Hondas as well, and there's the campsite where people sleep. And there's like those spots left and right. So I think I'm gonna head back to the stand because my girlfriend is there all alone and she might need some help. So I'm just gonna leave it here and I'll probably be back a little bit later. Hopefully it's still enough light to film, and then just pick out a few of my favorites that I really like, because if I'm gonna film each and every one, it's not doable. So we're just gonna pick the favorites which I think are show worthy. And if you have a very cool and show worthy car and it's not in the video, I probably just missed it. So I'm sorry for that. So I'm gonna leave this video right here. Otherwise it's gonna be way too long of a video, so I decided to cut it into 2 parts. There's more interesting stuff coming, and also lots of parts for the Civic coming. So keep your eyes out for that. Please like, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video, and see you guys in the next one. Peace!